back, everyone. So we are going to make this fine fabric. It's a crepe material that we are going to use for a simple gown. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end, and let's get started now. Spread out my fabric. So then I will go ahead now to take my length, and before then the width that I have here is 11 inches. So to take my length now, my length is 34.5 inches. So that is for the length, 34.5 inches. And after that, I will go ahead now to take my shoulder. My shoulder is 15 inches. That is on the tape, should be 7.5 inches. Then I will use my ruler to roll it like this. So after that now, I will go ahead now to measure from my shoulder to my chest line 8 inches. So that is my 8 inches. And then my neckline is 3.5 inches like this. And then to bring down the neckline, I'm going to mark 3 inches like this, and then curve it like this. It's a round neck. So to slope my shoulder, I'm going to mark ½ inch, and then using my ruler to slope it down. So now I will go ahead now to measure my half length. My half length is 14.5 inches. So that is my 14.5 inches. On that line, that is where we'll get our waist measurement. So then I will also mark from my shoulder to get my hip length. My hip length that I'm having is 24 inches. So that's my 24 inches on the hip length. So then we'll now start with our body measurement. That is the bust. My bust is 34. So 34 is 8.5 inches when you divide it by 4. So then add my sewing allowance by 2 inches like this. So coming to my waist is 26 inches. So divided by 4, that will give us 6.5 inches. Then add 2 inches for the sewing allowance. My hip is 36. So I will go for my hip now. That is 36. That is 9 inches, adding 1.5 inches on the hip. And then I will also come to the down part now to now shape it. That is the hemline side. So my hemline, I'm going to shape it by 32 inches. That is 8 inches. And then just add 1 inch for the sewing allowance. And then we'll now connect our measurement together now. So I'll connect it like this from my bust now to my waist. So from my hip waist please to my hip measurement. So that is it. And then we'll now connect from the hip now down to the hemline where we shape it out. So that is it. So now for my armhole curve, I'm placing my tape under my chest line area and mark 2 inches like this, and then using my ruler to curve it like this from that 2 inches that we marked. So that is it now. So that is it now. So we've done with our measurement. You can see that it's a simple, easy dress that we are making for today, and it's crepe material that we have used to do this measurement to get the style. So then I will cut. So starting from the neckline like this, then cut, and after that now I'll be using this front piece now that I've cut out to use it to cut at the back side of it. Please watch my video down to the end, and also subscribe to my channel and share it for others to see, so that they too can see my video and watch, so that they too can also learn. Please do that if you have not subscribed to my channel. So this is it now. So you can see how simple it is now. So we have finished cutting. So I will be using this piece now to cut the back. So let's do that now. This is my back piece now, and this is the front piece. So before then, let me add my sewing allowance for the zipper side is 1.5 inches that I'm adding for the zipper. So that is my 1.5 inches. So then using my chalk to mark it the way you are seeing me doing. So I've marked it now. So I will place my front piece now like this, and then to get our neckline. So our neckline will be the same neckline 3.5 inches that we use the front to mark. So that is the 3.5 inches. So what I will just do now, just for us now to cut it out, because the marking is already done at the front. So I will go ahead now to cut, and before then it will have a zip V neckline at the back. It will be deep a little, so 7.5 inches for the V neckline, and then I will just mark like this, connect it from the upper side that will mark 3.5 inches to that 7.5 inches like this. So that is it now. So let me cut it out now. So using my scissors to do that. So remember, this is the front piece. So this eye, it will be for the front. So can you see what I've done there now? So I will cut now. So I will just remove this like this and cut the back neckline now. So can you see how it is? So it's V neckline that we are making at the back piece now, and that is what I'm cutting out. So please watch this video down to the end, and also subscribe, and also share it for others to see. So I will just still continue to cut like this. You can see me doing, and this is how you can also make your own. So have your fabric so that you can cut your own. You can see the way it's coming out now, like the shape of the dress now. So after doing all of this, that is after cutting, I will now take it to the machine to go and stitch, and then come and show you the next step. So this is it now. So that is for the front and the back, and also I'm going to open the zipper side of it now, and that's what I'm doing. So please share it and also watch it as well to the end. So that is it now. So I will take it to the machine now. So now I will be joining my body part now. So I will start from my bust side now. My bust is 34. So and this is the one that remained on 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means it's 2 inches this side of it, and coming to this side 2 inches also. So to the waistline, my waist is 26. So this is 26, 13. So the one that will remain, we'll count it out also. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5. So 2.5 inches here, 2.5 inches this way. So to the hip, so this is my hip line. So my hip line for the measurement, so the hip is 36. 1, 2, 3. So that means 1.5 inches this way. To this side, 1.5 inches. And you remember what we use and shape it is 32. So this is my 32. So 16. So the one that will remain, we'll count it out also. That means it's 3, 1, 2, 3. That means 1.5 this side. Coming to this side, 1.5 also, and then we'll connect the marks together. So I will be using my ruler like this to mark it from the bust to the waist, and from the waist to the hip, connect it like this, and then also connect it down like this. So that is how we also doing the other side, and then we'll now stitch the front and the back together. So let me do that now. Our simple dress is ready to wear out, as you can see. So I'm going to join the front and the back, and this is the back side that I'm showing you. This is the deeper neckline, the V neckline that is deep. So let me turn it to show you the front side of it. So this is our front side of our dress also. So you can see that it's ready to wear out, and you can see how we cut it and it came out good like this. So I want you guys to have your fabric so that you can also make for yourself like this, and also share my video and watch it to the end, subscribe please, and also comment on my comment section. By the time you send your comment, I will see it and I will read it. And I want to tell you guys that as much love you, because you are really doing well for me, supporting my channel. So I want you to continue to support my channel so that my channel can continue to grow. So thank you once more. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.